Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I wanted to show off some work I've been doing on Jen and Kat, which is getting ready to very soon release version 2.0. Both of the followers now have digitally created voices, completely original. I wanted to give them something a little unique. And a lot of the abilities and their quests have been cleaned up and optimized so that there's just a better experience for playing with them in Skyrim. But with this video, I just wanted to do a little run through Meridia's temple to return the beacon and clear out the temple. I'm sure it's everyone's favorite. It's a pretty easy dungeon, and I've actually, to be honest, already went through it a couple of times because I had some audio and video issues to sort out, so third time's the charm, I suppose. So
what do you need?
This is a preview of what she sounds like.
You know, in Hammerfell we have a saying, the lighter the load, the faster the blade. I'm right behind you.
And Kat?
Yes? Sure. How much of it do I get to keep?
So
I'll be right behind you.
Make sure I'm good to go. And going into third person gets a little easier for me to maneuver. And let's clear out the temple. I've got their comments set to between 30 and 45 seconds, so it should be fairly quick for their commentary and the dungeon. Normally it's about 4 times slower, so you're going to hear it a lot more frequently than it normally is. But you can adjust that in the MCM. And,
I can sense the magic that still lingers in these ancient Nordic ruins.
And you can tweak them if you feel like they're a little too tough for the enemies that you're facing. Under gameplay, you can change the damage multiplier for each of them. And it does change the physical damage and the destruction magnitude multiplier. But I won't overwhelm you with all the options right now. It's just to really show off their abilities and the voices. For now. And I'm not going to be looting every single body, so I don't want to bore you to death. Just gonna kind of get through this. Jen just buffed everyone. With a bonus to health, magic, and stamina.
At the end of that.
Oops. Just so you're wondering, I do run with TK Dodge and also Valhalla combat.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Me too. Remember these guys being a little tougher, but I can pretty much take them up on myself.
That garbage.
Where Jen went. Oh, she's behind the door.
Ancestors.
Oh, nice.
What is that?
Uh-oh, what happened?
I'm not sure what it is, but I stepped in something. sticky.
See if you can find a linen wrap to wipe your shoes off.
All right, you want to go? Now that's how it's done.
Hardly a challenge.
Jen tends to shout when she does her abilities, but you can turn that off if you don't like it.
Give up while you still can.
Weren't expecting that, were you? Who's next?
By all the sands, look at that.
That was follower sees impressive view. Let's see if I can pick this guy. Disoriented.
Think we'll find something sparkly in here?
Maybe. It's kind of dull in here.
Those can be quite useful.
She commented on me picking something up. No blades today.
That was it?
What? Time to finish this. Now that's how it's done.
Challenging.
You get to hear them congratulate me for leveling up. I'm not going to worry about spending any points right now.
Excellent.
Congratulations.
As far as I'm feel brighter.
Actually, almost finished.
All sorts of horrid things in a place like this.
All right.
I think we're headed into trouble.
Could be an issue. Try to get them to come to us.
Die!
Jen did it. I'm gonna kind of cheat and bring it.
Let's show these enemies what we're made of. Time to finish now, that's how it's done. Last mistake.
Heal? Cat can heal. If she has the magic to do it.
Weren't expecting that, were you?
And she's got a light cooldown on the heal.
Not impressed.
My magic is not to be trifled with. It's supposed to be challenging.
Hardly a challenge.
It is done. The Defiler is defeated. Take Dawnbreaker from its pedestal.
So they would comment a little bit on looting some of the bodies.
I'm not going to let these Draugr keep us from finding the treasure in this place. Let's see what found.
Alright, well that was it so far for this dungeon. I'm not going to have y'all watch while I go through the flying up in the sky to talk to Meridia. But that's just a little sneak peek of what's coming out soon. If you have any suggestions for any other dungeons you want me to take them through that might be a little bit more challenging or more interesting, just let me know in the comments below. And please like and subscribe if you want to see more Jen and Cat content and more upcoming mod content and maybe other stuff. Thanks for watching.